Hello, Bacho. Hello again. So now we will do exercise 1.1 of your mathematics book. Last session, we saw what are the basics of numbers. We understood place values. We understood how to put commas in the numbers. Now let's try and do exercise 1.1. It is very basic and very simple. Zyada time nahi lagega, and you should be able to complete it easily. In this presentation today, I will take you through a few examples and a few questions from the exercise. Un questions or examples ke saath samajh mein aa jayega aapko, and you should be able to complete the exercise then. So let's get on with it. The first question in exercise 1.1 is tick the correct answer. So the A question is 1 million equal to how many thousands? So 1 million में कितने thousands होते हैं? How do we do this? Simple. पहले 1 million को number form में लिख लो. How many zeros are there in 1 million? 6 zeros. Also write 1000 in number form. Now, if we multiply 1000 with 10, what will it give us? It will give us 10,000. That's not equal to 1 million. If we multiply it by 100, it will give us 100,000, which is still not equal to 1 million. If we multiply it by 1000, it will give us 1 million. So that's easy. 1 million has 1000 thousands, and that's why your answer is 1000. Now let's take one more example. That's C. 8 lakhs equal to how many thousands? We'll do the same thing. But इस बार मैं आपको एक छोटी सी trick बताऊंगी to do it very quickly. Simple सी चीज है. पहले 8 lakhs को number form में लिख लो. So we write here 8 and lakh has 5 zeros, so 5 zeros after 8. And we write 1000 in number form. Now here there are 5 zeros and here there are 3 zeros. How many more zeros do you need? You need 2 more zeros. Now the first digit is 8. So we also need to multiply it by 8. That's it. Your answer is 800,000. Okay. Don't write all of this in your notebook. Teacher will cut your marks. But that's a trick to solve it properly and quickly. This is called mental maths. Okay. Now let's move on to the next question. So question 2 is determine the product of place value and face value of 0 in this number 295207316. Now ये हम एक छोटा सा rule है which we always remember and हमें हमेशा से याद रखना है, that is anything multiplied with 0 is always 0. So question में है face value of 0 का product multiplication, so the answer is 0. Very easy. But चलो, for example, let's say question में 0 नहीं पूछा होता and first the question was determine the product of place value and face value of 7 in that number. Okay. This is not from your book. ये अलग से मैं आपको समझा रही हूँ ताकि you know how to do the calculation. हर बार तो हर बार teacher is not going to ask you 0, right? Teacher will ask you 7, 6, कुछ भी पूछ सकती है. So let's see how to do it. Now, what is the face value? Face value simple hai. It is the digit itself. So place value of 7 in this number is 7. That's all. Simple. So place value is 7. Now, what is place value? Place value होती है. हमने पिछली presentation में we had understood. It is 7 into its place value. So ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. 7 is a thousands place. So the place value of 7 is 7,000. I repeat, face value is the number itself. So face value is 7. Place value is 7,000. The product क्या हो गया? 49,000. Easy. So that's how you do this one. Now let's take one more question. That is question number 7. Question number 7 is rewrite the following in words using the international system. And the number given to us is 72 crore 41 lakh 12,301. So what do we do first? First, write this number in a number form. So write it in numbers, and numbers में लिखने के लिए it's easy to start from the right hand side या पीछे से शुरू करेंगे. So 301, 12,000, so 12, 41 lakh, so 41, and 72 crore. So that becomes our number, 72 crore, 41 lakh, 12,301. Now, next step, you put commas according to the international system. क्योंकि क्वेश्चन में हमें इसे इंटरनेशनल सिस्टम में कन्वर्ट करने को कहा है. Now we will put commas according to the international system. To put commas, we again start from the right hand side. हम पीछे से शुरू करेंगे. International system में comma लगाने का rule क्या है? After every 3 digits. Remember? So we start putting commas. यहाँ पे 1, 2, 3 and again a comma 1, 2, 3 लगाने की जरूरत नहीं है. So that's easy. Now let's start putting this number into words. Start reading it from the front. And it will be 724,112,301. Simple? All right. Now let's move and do the whole exercise. यही दो concepts main है इसमें. बाकी concepts I had explained to you in the previous presentation. You should be able to do exercise 1.1 very quickly. बहुत easy है. You've done this before many times. It is just basic revision exercise. Complete it and then watch the next video for next one. All right. Thank you. Bye-bye.